Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. We really appreciate it. We really love drawing with you guys, so please subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you think. Let us know what players or characters you'd like us to draw for you. Today we are going to draw soccer superstar, I say soccer because I'm from the United States, but football superstar Erling Haaland, Norwegian professional soccer football player. He's the striker for Manchester City in the Premier League in the United Kingdom. And it also plays for the Norwegian national team. Considered one of the best soccer or football players in the world, known for his speed, strength, and positioning. Here we go. Erling Haaland. Let's find the center of our page up and down, the center of our page across. And we'll do Erling Haaland's face right here. So when we're doing cartoons, or we kind of try to find features of the character and really try to exaggerate or overdo those. So you're going to see that a little bit here. So Erling Haaland has this big, wide, sharp jaw. Bump up, come down, wide, sharp jaw. We're just overdoing it. A couple of ears bumping out right there. Now we're going to do a arch and an arch down to the ear. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a straight line across. This is going to be like the eyebrow of Erling Haaland. He's got a couple of small eyes. Arch down and connect. Another arch, and we're going to leave a small highlight in this eye. So we're going to draw that darker black area. Grab a light blue color really quick. We'll trace a little bit of blue to add some color to Erling Haaland's eyes. There we go. And we're going to come down from the edge of this eye. We'll make a dot. Edge of this eye, we'll make a dot. Here's the nose. So basically we went down, up, down big, up, and a little bump right there. Okay, so now we're gonna do Erling Haaland's mouth. Like a flying bird. A little mouth opening. I'm gonna actually color this area in. There's a little arch, kind of a U shape for the bottom lip. He's got kind of big pouty lips on top. All right, so next we're gonna draw the neck. We'll do a neck, come down to a V. Small shoulders, we're just doing a cartoon, so we're gonna make our shoulders small, bring the sleeves in, come down to the waist, come up. We'll do his arm right here. Let's do maybe his bump to the elbow, bump up to the wrist. Maybe he's doing like the number one. So there's the thumb. He's saying, hey, I'm number one. There's a finger right there, a couple of fingers, and then the wrist. And over here we'll do a bump, bring the big bump down to the wrist. This can be his thumb and his hand right there. So over here we're gonna do his shorts. Maybe it's coming straight across. Round it out. Come over here to the middle of the leg, come down for the other short. Connect to the hip. And we're gonna do the knee area coming down to the foot. Start wide, come down to the ankle, thinner or narrower. Connect with an arch. Bump for the tongue of the shoe, 1, 2, 3 shoelaces, come out to the edge, drop down, straight across to the heel, and connect. There's his one foot. Now over here he's gonna be standing on or kind of putting his foot on the soccer ball. So there's an arch of the knee coming down, coming down to the ankle. There's the tongue of that shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. Shoe comes out, comes over, and stops. And we'll do a small soccer ball. I should have left myself, maybe we'll do it kind of flat, like he's squishing it. Big flat soccer ball there. These are the soccer ball octagons or hexagons, whatever they are. Draw a few of these here so we can tell it's actually a soccer ball. You know, I don't follow soccer. I played a lot of soccer, football, actually, growing up, but I don't follow it as much nowadays, so I'm not really sure what's going on. But so let us know who your favorite players are. So here we go. Let's do the hair. Start in the corner. We got around. He's got this slick tied back hair, and his hair kind of swoops back. Starting at the ear, kind of swoops back, stops at the shoulder. He's got he usually puts his hair in a bun. So let's start right there, okay? We're gonna get our light blue markers to do the uniform. Here we go, we'll do pointed tip. We're gonna bring a stripe down to a V, stripe up, and another stripe to a V. Alrighty. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to do get your lightest blue, which is, get this light blue right here. We're gonna color this shirt with our light blue, like so. And then what we'll do is we'll bring the darker blue stripes down. Usually we do this in fast forward. I just want to show you what we're going to do here. So we're going to color this shirt with, fill it in with our light blue marker the best we can. I like to go in circles to use the color and just really fill that in. Okay. And then he's got some stripes coming down the side of the shorts over here, maybe a top one up there. And then his socks, let's find a good color for the socks. The socks are going to be same color blue. There we go. Okay, so what we did is we're going to grab just a slightly darker blue right here, and we're going to bring the stripes down. So a wide stripe, make a space, another wide stripe, another wide stripe. There we go. Awesome. A couple of stripes right there on the sock. We should be good. So what we're gonna do is, we kind of blocked it in for you. We're gonna do a light flesh color. Erling Haaland has light flesh, blonde hair, and we'll color the soccer ball in, and that's basically it. We thank you guys for joining us, drawing us with us, Erling Haaland of the Manchester City Premier League. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us know who we should draw for you next. Fast forward now.